James here, and it's July 4th when I'm making this video. I have my wife yelling at me right now saying, hurry up, get this done because it's July 4th. I was just bit by a bee a second ago. Anyway, a few things going on. But this is our product, Zero Risk Crypto. Now, it's hard to be all things to all people because I don't know where you're coming from. Are you someone that's a seasoned marketer? Are you someone that's brand new? Are you someone that does e-com? Are you someone that has your website? Are you someone that doesn't have a website? I don't know. Every single person is different. But I can tell you that this particular product, it has something for everyone. I'm a big fan of cryptocurrency. I've been in the game for a long, long time. My results are there, and my results for other people are there. My last product, I have literally hundreds of people that took action. I can see that in the stats of that previous program, that they're taking action. That's what this is all about, that you can take action and you can see results. Now, with this process that Dave and I have gotten into, and we've done this very recently, we're seeing results ourselves. Number one, that's important. But what's more important is that we're seeing other people with results. We're seeing some people getting results in the six figures. Now, am I telling you that when you pay the price of this product that you're going to make six figures or you're going to make $1 million overnight? Of course not. You have to take action. But I can tell you that the premise is there, that you can do that there's room for all of us, because it's not just us. It's not that we just have the magic secret and we're the only ones that are doing this. This is something that you absolutely can do. We have a process, an easy process that will get you there, but we have others that are doing it, and there's no notion that, oh, this is going to somehow get saturated and no one else can do this. That's what's so amazing, is that there is room for you. This is an easy process. You don't have to be on camera. You don't have to have technical ability. I could list the 30 things that everybody says in every product. You don't have to be this, and this. You can be brand new. But I have people that are millionaires that buy my products that will be into this too. So it really doesn't matter where you are on the spectrum. If you want to get cryptocurrency and you want to get traffic in a brand new way, those two things, some people are going to resonate with the make money part, some people are going to resonate with the crypto, some people are going to resonate with the traffic. Wherever you are, there's something for everyone in there. And I think for this low price, it's so worth it because, again, the results are there. This is not a software that you're going to buy and you get a software that you can push a button and then nothing happens. We're not about that. We're about getting you results. And this is a quick process that you can do, that we're going to teach you, that shows you how to get results in the crypto space with no money out of pocket. That's why we call it zero risk. There's only upside, cryptocurrency and traffic. So it's really exciting, and hopefully I'm getting you excited about this process because we're really excited about it. And again, what we love to do is bring new tactics to the community to get people results. So if you want results, if you like to get paid, and another great thing about this too, it's not just cryptocurrency. You can get real money. Now, people say, I would argue that cryptocurrency is real money and regular money isn't, but I digress. My point is, you can take this cryptocurrency and see money in your bank. Some people they don't like sometimes with cryptos. There's some crazy process to actually get paid by this. No. So it's all good. We've seen results. You can get results for the price of this product. It's a no-brainer. The price is, however, going up with every sale. So don't delay. Pick it up. And we'll see you on the inside.